guys, welcome to another video. It is your girl Diani Lola, and as you can see by today's title, your girl is driving for the first time today. So it is currently 7:50. What time is it? It's 7:52. My lesson starts at 8 o'clock, so I'm about to go downstairs. I'm dressed. The light look better over here. I'm dressed, ready to go. Fingers crossed that he lets me record. It's a guy, so I hope he lets me record the process. I'm gonna take my camera and fingers crossed that I get to record this experience. My first time ever driving. I'm like nervous, but not nervous, but anxious, but I don't want to be anxious. I just want everything to go smooth as possible, and I feel like it's gonna go as smooth as possible. I just need to relax and just let him teach me. Never drove behind the wheel before. I am 24 years old. It's 2025. I'm about to be 25, baby. I live in New York. I gotta get around because the part of New York that I live in, baby, you need a car to get around. Everything is like far but not far. Driving can be scary because I see a lot of accidents happening, people getting in accidents. I just be so scared to drive because too many accidents happening. But God is with me. God is always with me. My angels are always with me, so I just gotta have faith in God. I'm protected, I'm covered. My angels are with me, and that's what I gotta keep in the back of my head. So everything's gonna be fine. This experience is gonna be fun. Everybody's telling me it's gonna be fun. So I'm about to go downstairs. What time is it? I'm about to go downstairs so I could be downstairs 5 minutes before 8 o'clock. So let's go. First, I need to take my vitamins. I didn't eat nothing. I'll probably take a banana. Eat a bite of banana. Baby, we got to go. We got to go. We got to go. You can't even see me. I'm about to take my vitamins. Can y'all see me? I'm about to take my vitamins, put on my coat, and get ready to head downstairs. So see you guys if he lets me record. Coat on, ready to go. Let's head downstairs.
1 hour later.
That was fun. She didn't let me record though because it was my first time, right? So she didn't know what level I was at. It was my first time, and she didn't, want me to be distracted by the camera. But but it was a lady. But she said next time she'll definitely let me record because I told her that I do YouTube and stuff. So she was like, now that I know what level that you're at, then the next time schedule for her name, ask for her name, and we're gonna drive again, and she'll let me record for YouTube. But I was so sad she didn't let me record because I wanted to show like everything, like from the start to the. But then again, I didn't want to be distracted. But I'm not gonna post this video until I go again. So this is gonna be my driving video, learning how to drive. Driving is fun, I'm not gonna lie. And guess what, y'all? I forgot my glasses, but I didn't want her to know. I was squinting, but I could see. But I should have brought my glasses. Like, how did I forget my glasses? Like, my vision is not 20/20. Let me take off the scarf. Driving was fun. Okay. Diani behind the wheel. Period. Not as scary as I thought it was gonna be. I just had to get the feeling of being behind the wheel and moving my foot left to right, because I'm a lefty. So I do everything on my left. It would be better if the freaking, let me see, the gas. Nah, the gas and pedal on the left. Now the right, it don't feel too bad on the right. But it's so hard to, it's not hard, but it's like switching from left to right on the gas and the brake. The gas is on the, they're both on the, what is this, the right. The gas and the brake is on, you're using your right leg. So you're using your right leg, but the gas is on the right and the brake is on the left, on the right side. So it's like brake, gas, brake, gas, brake, gas. And I was using my little tiptoe, gas, brake. Driving is fun, not gonna lie. You just really gotta pay attention to what you're doing, like, and then coming up to the stop signs, like, now I see why people need to clean their cars, because I could barely see anything. They need to clean that car. But coming up to the stop signs, and well, it's mainly the stop sign, it'd be hard to see, like, but I think I got it. It was fun. I think I want a car now. This is where now I have to work extra hard. I want a nice car, and I don't want no low car. I want to be up high. I want to be up high. I want like a G-Wagon. I don't got G-Wagon money. I don't have G-Wagon money, but I want a G. Let me sit y'all up. I gotta pee. That was fun, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. That was fun. Now I'm starving. I'm about to make me some breakfast. My boyfriend is at work, but he's gonna come back because I know he's hungry. So I'm gonna make some grits and turkey bacon, and I gotta cook. But I'm gonna cook later. I gotta go to the gym. What time is it? I'm gonna go to the gym. I gotta pee. Should I go to Planet Fitness or should I schedule another lesson? I'm gonna schedule another lesson. The lesson was $50. I'm in New York. It is 25 degrees outside, you guys. It's freezing, but the car was warm, so I was cruising. What is this? This is 10, 3, 6, 9, 9 and 3. I'm thinking of the clock. So your wheels gotta be 10, 2 and 10, 2 and 10, because 12 is up here. 10, 2. 10, 2. That's what they call it. So 10 and 2, they want your hands here. I gotta remember for the test. I'm trying to get my license. I think I'm gonna be a great driver. It's like a little soothing. It's like therapeutic. I think for me as a cancer, driving would be therapeutic, but I just gotta pay attention. Driving with music on, I don't think I'm ready for that. I would be distracted. I like to sing when I'm listening to music. I like to be. I don't know. I think music is a distraction. Just until I get the hang of it. Oh my God, driving on the highway. Forget about it. I'm not ready for that. I need give me 2 more lessons. Let me see. Should I do 4 lessons? I don't know. Help me get this YouTube money, honey, so I can pay for my lessons. But driving on the highway, for me to drive on the highway, give me 1 more lesson. I need another lesson to get that feel. Maybe the 3rd lesson. I'll do the 3rd lesson. I could, do the freeway, the highway. I don't know. But it was fun. Driving is a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Starting the new year off right, doing new things. Let me go pee, and I will see you guys in my next driver's lesson. Today is January 8th, Wednesday, January 8th. My lesson was at 8 o'clock. It is currently 8:53. I think it was only 45 minutes. Yep. So I'm documenting. This is me documenting me learning how to drive. Hopefully y'all can see me on the road. I gotta get a smaller camera because this Nikon camera is too big for me to even put on the dashboard. I need something small. And I can't even record on my phone because my freaking storage is full. I need a whole new phone with bigger storage. I wouldn't record it on my phone. But I'm excited to see what's to come for me in driving. It's funny how now I want a car. I can see how getting a car is a great accomplishment. Now I see. You don't see until you do. So if you never done it, and that used to be me. Because I used to be I don't need a car. I could live without a car. I really don't need a car. I'm fine. I could live without a car. And now I want a car. Isn't that funny? But let me stop chatting. I'm chatting right now. I will see you guys in my next driver's lesson. I'm excited. See you guys next time. I'm not gonna forget my glasses, and I'm recording for you guys.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip.
Good morning, you guys. It is currently 7:48 in the morning. Your girl is up and getting ready to go to the gym and get in a workout. Today is Thursday, January 16th. It is Thursday. My boyfriend is hilarious. It is Thursday, January 16th. I have another driving class today, but before I do my driving class is at 10 o'clock. It is 7. You can say it's 7:50. My driving class is at 10 o'clock. I'm gonna get a workout in before my class. I forgot to do this. Freaking nose thing. Ooh. Ever since I had the flu, y'all, my nose been bleeding. I think I might need to go to the doctor and tell my doctor, because every time I blow my nose, blood is coming out, and I don't think that's a good thing. So I'm gonna put on some This is my Victoria's Secret Body Mist Sweet Apple Fresh Tangerine Sea Spray. Fresh and clean, baby. Fresh and clean. You can see that? Yeah, fresh and clean. We're gonna put some of this on just so when we sweat, it can smell good. Do I want a black headband or a white headband? Black head. We're gonna do black. Let's do black. I was trying to do a 6 a.m. I was trying to do a get up with me at 6 a.m. You know those type of videos. But baby, I'm rushing. I feel like the longer that I take to film that, I'm gonna be late. So I'm gonna try to do that tomorrow. And then I'll just put this in the drive-in video. Yep, my boyfriend is already at the gym because he has work at 8 o'clock. So he got up and went to the gym already. Where is my... I love this freaking hairstyle. It's like so cute. I want to do this but like in black, and I want it longer. Cute. Let me see. I like for you to be able to see my earrings. Okay, we ready? We ready, baby? Where is my jacket? This one smells good. I need to do laundry. Necklace or no necklace? We should do necklace. We're gonna do my beauty supply store necklace, and look at it. It's getting tangled. I hate when it does this. Oh my god, I'm gonna be here all day trying to take that. Trying to take this out. I think I got it. Yeah. Oh yeah, I got it. It was a knot. Look at this one. I don't do no makeup for the gym. I just go fresh face, but I do like the makeup look. When I do put makeup on, I just do a little bit of concealer and some blush. That smells good. Okie dokie, let me take my birth control pill while I'm already up. Ladies, if you don't want the baby, birth control. Get on that birth control. Today is Thursday. We're gonna take our birth control. And we're gonna take our Ollie vitamin, our multi-vitamin. Take 2 of these. 1, 2. And then when I come back from the gym and my driver's lessons, I'm gonna take this because I like to take these after I eat. I need to put something in my stomach. I have nothing in my stomach. So when I come back, I'm gonna take my Happy V prebiotic probiotic. These are really good. These are 10 out of 10. Highly recommend these Happy V prebiotic, especially if you suffer with BV, baby. These promote vaginal and digestive health, restores flora, and balances pH. And you take 2 of these a day, and these are vegan capsules, baby. And then I just started taking these Euro, baby. These work too. I like these Euro. I like Euro urinary tract vitamin capsules. And these are also vegan, so I'm gonna take these when I come back. And now I'm ready for the gym. This is what I'm wearing. I got on my Nike. Let me put my sneakers on. Got my AirPod. My glasses, because last time for my driver's test I forgot my glasses. Sneakers. New Balance, baby. And we're ready to go. We're drinking Wake Up Call. It has apple, lemon, ginger, and cayenne. Apple, lemon, ginger, and cayenne is called Wake Up Call by Pure Green cold pressed juice. So this is what I'm starting my morning off with. Yep. And I'll see you guys when I'm taking my second driver's test. I think we're learning parking today, so I'm super excited. She said she's gonna let me record, so I'm not gonna take my camera, it's dying. I'm gonna record off of my second phone. So off to the gym I go. See you guys. It's 8 o'clock. I gotta go. Oh, spicy. You could definitely taste the cayenne. I'm talking about I gotta go. I'm still here. Let me get my jacket. Make sure I'm not missing nothing. Water. Got my water. Got my glasses. Got my juice. Water. We ready to go. I got my AirPods. It's freezing. Woohoo. That don't stop me from going to the gym, baby. It's a mindset thing. But I'm here. We made it. You guys, guess what? Like, oh my god. I can never be great. Never. Yo. Oh my god. I took my driver's lessons, my second driver's lessons. She did not let me record. It was a different person. It was a different woman. It was not the lady that I had the first time. It was a different lady. And I was like, Chris told me I can record the next time I drive. She didn't even have no mount on the dashboard or nothing. The other lady that I had, she had a mount for the phone. So I'm thinking I was gonna be in the same car with the same person. Nope, different lady, different type of car. But I did great. I did good. I didn't kill nobody. We didn't crash. God is good. Amen. Yeah, so this time, as soon as she saw me, get comfortable, get in the driver's seat, you're driving. So it was, what is it, 45 minutes? 45 minutes? Not bad. I learned how to parallel park. Parallel parking is actually not hard. People be making it so hard. You just gotta follow what they teach you. Easy. All you gotta do, line the car up like you're about to have a conversation with the person in the other car. So you want to make sure the car is lined up straight. Then you're going to put the car in reverse, right? You're going to check your mirrors. You're going to check your blind spot over your shoulder. And you're going to check your rear view, your side mirror, the left. So it's blind spot, left mirror, rear view mirror. Then there's the mirror in front of you, not the mirror, you look in front of you. Then you check the other mirror. So it's blind spot, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you checking 6 viewpoints. Then you back the car up slow until you can see behind the car that's next to you. Once you see behind the car next to you, then you're gonna turn your wheel to the right, till it stops. Then you're gonna check them points again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you clear. Then you're gonna back up slow. Looking in the mirror, looking behind you, looking in the mirror, looking behind you. Until your back door is over the curb in the mirror, you see. Then you're gonna turn the other way. Turn to the left until you can't turn no more. Then you're gonna check your spots again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 6, not 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Till you're looking at the car in front of you. That's it, baby. You parallel park. That's how you parallel park. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Call me the driver, D sleazy. Now let me stop. But yeah, you guys, driving is easy.
But right